Modifiers aren't just tools, they spark creativity and shape your Blender scenes. Welcome to the Art of Modifiers, crafting dynamic scenes in Blender, a curated playlist from DeepBlendArt designed to transform your workflow and unleash your full creative potential. DeepBlendArt is here to dive deep into 3D creation. This series guides you to master modifiers, building clean scenes, and combining them for pro-level results. New or experienced, you'll gain skills to make your work shine. 3 focus sections for a smooth journey. Generate modifiers, create and control geometry with precision, deform modifiers, sculpt and shape with flexibility. The rest, complete your workflow with constraints and more. We start with basics, move to creative techniques, then master advanced combinations. Each group has a color theme: blue for generate modifiers, red for deform modifiers, green for others. Sleek, consistent thumbnails make navigation easy and polished. This isn't just tutorials, it's a creative workshop. Learn to think with modifiers, layer them like an artist, and create optimized, stunning scenes. Ready to master modifiers? Subscribe, hit the bell, and jump into episode 1. This is DeepBlendArt. This is the art of modifiers. Let's start.